I will be doing a product review for the Nailwind gel polish set. I had a company reach out to me to try these products for them and do a product review for them. So as you guys know, I'm going to be very honest and I'm going to give you guys my review. First and foremost, when they sent this package came very, very early. If you guys are interested in purchasing the Nailwind gel polish set, it is $7.99 on Amazon. You can check out my link. It will be tagged in the description box down below, okay? As I got my kit, as you guys can see, it came with a manual to show you, step by step, tell you what to do and how to do it. This kit does not come with a LED UV light in order to cure the nails, in order to get your nails completely dry. It came with 6 different polishes. It came with clear, it came with a white, a kind of grayish, and it came with like 3 different types of pinks. Now, the thing about these polishes, they are not as defined in the color labeling, because when you open the products, there will be a little bit different than the colors that's shown here on the bottles, okay? This product is $7.99 on Amazon if you want to check it out. My link to purchase this item will be posted in the description box down below. Now, before we get into trying the product, as I stated before, you will need a gel lamp, a UV LED lamp, okay? I got my lamp from Walmart, you guys. It was $9.99. This is a portable lamp, so it's small, it's compact, you can take it with you. This is not a promo or a sponsorship for this for this lamp, but I was just letting you guys know if you don't have one, okay? Because you're going to need a LED lamp to cure your nails with gel polish, okay? It did come with a USB cable for $9.99 at Walmart, and there you go, it turns on, it works perfectly. Now, the thing about this lamp is I did have to use it a couple of times in order to get it to cure completely. Other than that, I had no problem. Moving on to the products, these are the products. And in the beginning of the video, I showed you guys the product when I first received it. This is me showing you the product after I received it. I opened it to check it out, and for some odd reason, when I guess I didn't tighten the bottles enough when I put them back in the box. And as you guys can see, some of the products came off. So when you purchase this item, make sure you're tightening your caps all the way so that the product does not come out, okay? Because it will be very sticky and get very messy. Now, I'm just going through the products just to show you guys what they look like and just to make sure that they are still usable. These products do last up to 28 days with no chipping. Now, as we get into using the products, I wanted to first start by filing my nails down, making sure that the surface was clear and clean and as smooth as possible. And just to make sure that everything was neat before using the product. I did not go in with a base coat. This kit does not come with a top coat or a base coat, okay? So I understand, ladies, you guys like to have your products all in one, but sometimes we have to go out and buy the products that we need to make the finishing products perfect. This product only comes with the gel polish. It does not come with a top coat or a base coat or a LED UV lamp. So those things you would have to get on your own. The drill I'm using is a cruisery drill. I will link that down below if you're interested in purchasing that from Amazon as well. going to go ahead and use extensions, nail tips extensions. I wanted to see if the gel polish will work on extensions because I know I like my nails a little longer. If you have your nail shapers to build your shapes, that will work as well. But I decided to use the extension nail tips. Now I decided to use the A325 color for the gel extension. When you use this product, you guys, as you guys can see, it is like a polish, but it is a little sticky and tactful. So with this product, you would have to build the product. So you'll do a first layer, and then you'll cure it under the LED lamp for maybe a minute or two. You'll do your second layer, and then you'll cure it, and your third layer and cure it. And you do as many layers as you need or as you see fit to build the product on your nail. You do it as many times as you need to build that product up to your liking and until you get what you desire, okay? So this is my first layer. I go ahead and I put it under the lamp. I cure it for a couple of minutes until the lamp turns off. And then I go in with my second layer. So like I said, you will need a top coat. You cannot finish this product off without a top coat. So when you finish putting on the gel polish, you finish curing it and you say, hey, my nails are still sticky, what do I do? Because this product did not come with a top coat, I did end up having to use a top coat from my Kuzari acrylic nail system kit. That kit will be linked in the description box as well. I did use my top coat from the Kuzari acrylic nail system kit. I put it on top of the Nailwind gel polish, and then I cured it for like 2 minutes. After I cured it, it was completely dry. So make sure you use a top coat after your gel set, okay? And then make sure you're curing it for a couple of minutes after.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
My nails came out perfectly dry, you guys.
Give me a really good feeling.
And that's it. Thank you to Nailwind for sending me this product to review the product for you guys. I love this product so much. I will be ordering again with them. Again, if you want to check this product out, it will be linked in my description box. $7.99 over on Amazon. You can use my link to purchase this item if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching and stay safe.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do.